In this video, I'll show you how to add an Instagram profile to TikTok. So your Instagram profile will be a clickable button and you'll be able to add it under your bio. I haven't added it yet to this profile. I'm going to show you how to do it on video. So once you're on TikTok, go to your profile in the bottom right hand corner. Now, once you're on your profile, you want to go to the edit profile button. So click on edit profile. It will then bring up this window. From here, you can go ahead and click on Instagram. This will be under the social section. So click add Instagram. It should then load up the Instagram page. And what you can do is you can log in. Now you can log in using Facebook or you can log in with your username and password. Now, a lot of people sometimes have forgot their password. So if you do need to click forgotten your password and reset it, it will send you an email where you can then update your password. I'm going to enter in my username and password and log in though. Okay, so now I've logged in, I've entered in my password. It's asked me if I want to save the info. I'm going to click not now and we're not going to save it currently. You just need to make sure that this is checked. So TikTok will be able to find out information about your Instagram account. So go ahead and allow that. Then once you've done that, it will automatically update. You might get a notification saying a new account has been connected. But now you can see that Instagram has been added. And that's literally all you need to do to add Instagram to TikTok.